Hey everybody, this is April Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to do an Amazon unboxing of the 2020 Acer Chromebook Spin 11. All right, let's go ahead and get into the vlog. Okay, we got some packages. Yes, I turned the packages over, y'all, because I don't want to show my home address. I don't know who all are stalkers out there or anything like that. But this package up top is for hubby. And the package right here, this is mine. And I'm really not sure what this is. I know I ordered a dress off Amazon. And, oh, the Chromebook. Let me show y'all. Yeah, it arrived last night. I want to say around 8:30 last night. So it's in this box. I did not open this box. I was waiting to actually open this box for my Amazon box opening video I was going to do on the Chromebook. But when hubby made it home from work this morning, he decided I'm gonna open the box. Hey y'all, so I am back. I'm all showered and refreshed. It's now in the evening time of Saturday, and I am ready to do this unboxing of this Acer Chromebook. Okay, so it's down here on the floor, so let me just pick it up. It's still in the box, and again, the box is open because hubby was nosy and he opened it this morning. But what he didn't realize was the Chromebook is actually in another box. So he didn't want to do the work to open up that box. So let me put that box over here on the side. And there's nothing else but like the little stuff to protect the Chromebook left in that one. And the goodies are in here. So let me figure out how to open this because I don't want to mess anything up as I open it. All right, y'all. So here we go. This is what it's looking like so far. And we'll see if something is in there. And it's another box. All right, Christmas came early for me this year, right? Oh, I got the box open, y'all. So this is what it looks like inside of this box. And I have a card. Oh, by the way, I do want to add, this video is not sponsored. Acer is not sponsoring this. Acer did not pay for this Chromebook. It's not sponsored at all. I wish it was, but it's not. Yeah, so they're just offering like their toll-free service on this paper right here. All right, let's dig in. I know y'all like, come on, April. All right, so this is the adapter cord that was in the side pocket of the box. And this looks like the other half of the adapter cord that was in the side portion of the box. Okay. Now, I know my Chromebook is in here because this is like really protected. All right, so here we go, y'all. The Acer Chromebook, and I hope this doesn't look backwards or like upside down for you. Here we go. Oh my God, it is here. I'm so excited. It says Chrome at the top, right there. Yeah. All right, so let's open it. Oh, this is what the bottom looks like. So it is completely chrome. And let's get this baby opened. Gentle. Let's be gentle with it. And yes, it is, voila, right here. Now, they do have a cloth over the keyboard. I'm going to move that cloth, and this is what the keyboard looks like. Look at this screen, y'all. Oh my God. It is so shiny and beautiful. And look at the keyboard. Wow. I like it. It's beautiful. It's different from the laptop I had before. The laptop I had before was a Toshiba. And it was a bigger laptop. It was longer. It was bulkier. And what I like about this laptop is that it's thin. And if you look at the picture of it on Amazon, the side view of it on Amazon shows it as being thin. And yeah, as you can see, it really is thin. Like, yeah. I'm not trying to do a full review on this laptop. This was just more of like an unboxing little thing right here. I'm gonna do a review video on this laptop later, and that's gonna be in a separate video. And once I get that video up, I'm gonna put a link to that video down below in the description box with this one. So, but look out for that video. I will have a full review video on this laptop Chromebook. And just to be clear, this is, let me look at my notes because I have things written down here. But this is the Acer, this is actually the 2020 Acer Chromebook Spin 11. And it's a 2-in-1 laptop, which means you can use it in the laptop form like this, or you can flip it over, and now it's a tablet, okay? And also, this is touchscreen. It also has a wireless mouse that comes with it, which we're gonna find that right now. It's empty, so this is the mouse. So we're gonna open this. So, all right. This is the wireless mouse. So it came with batteries for the mouse. So again, I just wanted to do just a basic unboxing of this. I'm going to do a full review on this Chromebook in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Feel free to comment down below, and I will see you all in the next vlog.